What's going on, everyone? George here from The Average Car, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your cabin air filter on this 2014 Mazda 3. So I'm not going to lie, I went to AutoZone and bought this because, you know, I haven't changed it in a while. I know that's bad. And so I went and picked this up, and come to find out, I come open the box and check and realize that I've got a K&N under there. So I'm going to just show you how to do this for the sake of a video, and then probably just go return it and get a cleaning kit for that one. So let's hop over to this seat and get her done. Okay, so let's go ahead and keep this short and sweet. And this 2014 Mazda 3 cabin air filter is behind the glove compartment. So all you have to do is set this down. You're gonna pull in on both sides of these edges here so the tabs kind of pop out just like that, and let that down slowly. I'm gonna set it on my knee, and cabin air filter is going to be right over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull that out just like that. Like I said, I do have the K&N, did not know that till earlier. I went to replace it, but I'm going to set that down right over here and clean that. But for now, I'm just going to put this one in, and just like this, set it right back in to that slot there. Give it a little love, push it in, make sure it's snug. Bam, just like that. Push this back in. That's it. Quick, easy fix. Save yourself $60, $70, $80 versus what the dealership charges you. That's gonna be the video, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure these stay clean. I'll see you next time.